Alright, we're back here working on the Corvette again. Hopefully the last time we're putting on the lift. We're getting it set up again. It's a pain in the butt every single time. You gotta put it on the bolts, move it back and forward till it's on there perfect. So
today we're gonna put the quarter panel on it, get the rear bumper on it, and just finish it up. It'll be the last video on this car, and we'll be done.
Yeah,
back on the motorcycles.
Yeah. We got the rear diff cooler, I guess it is, mounted up off camera. Everything's set back up. We're ready to finish up the last steps on this thing so we can get it inspected and get a tag on it. Start smoking tires on the street legally. So these lines are definitely very bent because they're supposed to be going all the way to right there. It doesn't look like fun. We could probably bend them, but that would just not the right way. So we're gonna go ahead and pull off this side of the muffler. JT's gonna go ahead and pull off both the back wheels and start putting on the fender liners. And I'm gonna go ahead and tackle trying to get these cooler lines changed.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.
The cooler lines have these little tiny clips that we're pain in the butt to get off. We got those off. There's still a couple more mounting brackets. We're going to get that off, and that's what I'm working on now. New cooler lines. And those of y'all that are paying attention know I did not have to pull off the left muffler, but we did anyway. My fault.
What's that for right there?
I guess so they stay aligned.
It's for adjusting and make sure the tips sit even on the exhaust.
Hopefully all of our, what are those things called? Fender liner screws aren't missing. We're going to go ahead and start trying to get those put in. I guess that's what's next, right? Since we're waiting on the fender liners and can't go on any further right now, we're going to go ahead and swap over all of our little pieces from the old bumper cover, the tail lights, the spoiler, any other like miscellaneous mounts and trim pieces and stuff. But Josh is gonna go ahead and walk us through that right now. How happy are you that they switched up the fender liners and sent us the front and the back? You pretty excited about all that?
I'm trying to get this thing done.
Hey.
When we get close to getting done, we got a little snag.
I hear you. It's like the
A simple mistake, though.
longest rebuild ever. Longest easy rebuild ever. The spoiler might have bolts underneath it. Yeah.
Go first, the spoiler.
That was smart, right? Good job, Twink Dog. I should have been a body man. Just gotta learn how to paint. Holy cow, it's 105 degrees in Georgia right now. Probably feels like 150. We're going to finally, we got our rear fender liners in, the right one. We're finally going to get those things put on. I'm going to go ahead and get it jacked up. We don't have access to a lift today, so we're just going to use the floor jack and get the rest of our stuff transferred off of the old bumper onto the new bumper and get it done today. All right. Get jack standing underneath here. Safety first.
We are going to attempt today, after all the parts done, to finally get this thing 100% buttoned up, we hope. Shouldn't be any more snags. If you look at this fender liner right here, which one we're replacing, it's got a rip in it from the wreck. So we're going to put two new ones in it, both sides. The other side was destroyed, but this side just had that little rip. Pretty easy deal. Do that, both sides. Then we're going to go ahead and put that rear quarter on. We've been talking about, we just keep losing little odd and end pieces to getting it going together.
Got one push clip up here at the top. And I think that's it. I'm sure we're about to find out whichever ones I just missed. Stuff's pretty easy. It's not like fighting those old big thick plastic ones.
Might made out of carpet.
Yeah. It's like, and there's one I forgot.
Your head's gone, dude.
10 millimeter angle. I can see what I'm doing.
Finding parts for this car has been easy, just to order them from the GM dealership, but these actual inner fender liners have actually, one was in stock through Rick Hendrick Chevrolet and the other one had to be shipped in from Canada, so that's what it took us a few days to get it. And then just little odd and end pieces just been hard to get. It's kind of slowed us up on the process. This car had been done a long time ago. Alright, we're going to pop this fender liner in here, button it back up. These are fairly simple to replace, not much to them. There's a lot of flex in them being that kind of carpet material. I don't know what the hell they call it. What would you call it? Carpet material?
I guess. I think. Yeah. It feels like carpet to me.
And then we'll jump to the other side, slam it on. Alright, after looking at it, we're going to go ahead and actually put the quarter panel on it first, and then do the inner splash shield. And then after that, of course, do the rear bumper.
Like the duct or whatever, it's hitting the duct.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's what it was. Boom.
Alright.
Alright.
Making progress. Making progress.
Go ahead and get it bolted up. Same thing holds this quarter panel on, these little T15 Torx screws.
T50s. Big boys.
The little guys. It's pretty damn perfect right there.
It sure is.
Alright, we have to make some minor adjustments on our fiberglass over there. We're waiting on that to dry real quick. And so right now, while we're waiting on that, I'm going to go ahead and get everything put on the new bumper cover. Starting with the wing.
Is that a wing, dude?
Spoiler, whatever it's called. I don't know. What is it called? Spoiler?
Yeah.
Whatever that's called. I like holding my gun like a gangster. Hold that thing sideways like that.
Yeah.
So it's definitely glued.
No, it's double-sided tape.
Oh, double-sided tape. This is the correct GM tool for this also. So we're going to go ahead and do that throughout the length of this and get the spoiler off.
On the ends.
Oh, it's only on the ends?
Only on the ends. G-force, dude. It's made for G-force. I guess GM don't want the spoiler blow off of it.
Alright, just getting some of the dust knocked off of this thing, and then we're going to flip it over and get the this old double-sided tape off of it.
go ahead and put the taillights in next, can't we? Yeah, we can.
This one right there.
Approved for 250 miles an hour.
It is now.
That thing approved for 250 miles an hour?
Not with me in it.
Why?
I'm scared.
You think it'll go 250? I doubt it.
How fast do these things do?
I don't know. The speedometer says 400. Just kidding.
About to get these taillights bolted up. They just sit on little mounting brackets like that. Well, something like that. There we go. There we go.
Tail lights are in.
Alright. Where's those bezels at when you put that one in? Right there.
This bezel right here is for the driver's side. We had to order one for the passenger side since it was damaged in the wreck and it was nationally back ordered through GM, so we found a used one on eBay. It should be here next couple of days when we pop it in without the affecting of putting the bumper on the car after doing some research.
We found out that you can put it on with the bumper on the car. So we thought we'd have to wait on it, but no, it can go on afterwards.
So the bezel's on, the bezel's not on. We don't have it yet.
Yeah, that one's on.
Alright, we're going to go ahead. We got the quarter panel set on the car. We're going to go ahead and tighten the bolts up. It actually bolts it up very nice. You see the gaps perfect in it. Looks good. These quarter panels are just crazy. There's not too much that holds these on. There's 3 bolts along the edge of the door jamb, 4 bolts in the actual trunk jamb, and there's a bracket or 2 inside here, and it's not much more than that. Car's coming along good today. Get the right parts and get not to wait on anything and get it done.
Yeah. You know, this thing after a couple days we had all the right stuff. Right?
Just waiting on stuff that nobody had in stock is what killed us. Alright, we're going to stick this right side fender liner in and throw the bolts in it. And after that, we're going to put the rear cover on it. Hopefully on the downhill slide of putting this car together, finally. Alright, got this new balance for the lower bumper, for the lower portion of the bumper.
Brand new.
Pop it on, and now we'll put that rear bumper on. You got that plastic, Lee? Dang, that thing looks good.
Ooh, cool. Kind of painted and stuff.
It's pretty.
It is.
Alright.
We're about together.
Slide in here over these little clips in the side end over the bumper right here. This holds this balance at the bottom too. Not much to it. Not much to it.
I think one more through the wheel well or the
right here.
fender liner.
Take it. Sometimes these little tabs pull out. You got to take something in there and push it back down where it clamps on the bumper.
So what? We're reusing our
I
old.
decided to reuse this one. I'm gonna get a new Corvette logo for the bottom. It's just too hard to retape. So we're gonna reuse this one and then order that. And
That's just what, double-sided tape. So you just re-double-sided taped it.
ain't not much to it. It's a hard emblem, you know. Easy to put tape on it. Got it lined up. Go.
It's on there.
Alright, that ain't coming off. Alright, that's on.
Oh, we got our new headlight bezel came in today. Or tail light bezel, whatever the hell it's called. We can go ahead and get that popped in there.
Alright, let's flip this bumper over. We'll get that the tail light harness, the tag light harness, and all that put on the back of the bumper, and then we can go ahead and set it up on the car.
It's a whole lot of bumper cover right there. Holy cow. Alright, here's our harness. These little guys right here.
Yeah.
Kind of
Heavy duty for a zip tie. Alright. Let's bolt this up. Like so. Got 3 bolts. You do? I said you.
I do. I have the correct bolts also.
Sweet. We're going to run this harness through the rear bumper. It controls the tail lights, backup camera, tag lights, all that kind of stuff.
I have no idea where all this stuff came off of, so I'm just going to get what I know done where it goes and then start
routing it correctly.
Yeah, routing it.
Because the old back bumper was just a mess from the wreck, so kind of trial and error, but we'll make sure we get it run correctly and done right.
Fat ass fingers.
There it goes.
Like that.
Alright, well that's in. Easy. Easy peasy.